What's up, boys? Heading to Vonsy's garage today. He's got a little surprise for us. I'm not gonna spoil the surprise, so you'll have to wait and see. But we're gonna do a little ride.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto North Hidden Oaks Way.
That was rude. We're gonna go for a little ride, get some lunch, and then see what surprise he has in store. Oh wow, look at that. That's who's getting a new house.
Take the next
right
left
there.
onto North Hidden Oaks Way, then turn right onto West Marquette Lane.
She is rude.
A few moments later.
Well, good morning, Vonsy.
Yeah, good morning.
How are you?
Yeah, it's pretty hot today.
It is, boy. It's
I think
baking
we got
hot
three more
now.
days of hot weather.
Yeah,
And then I think it's fall.
I think
it'll
so.
be pretty cool. I think you'll start out on the trail,
Okay.
and then we'll switch and you'll come back on the Super Cub.
All right.
What I would say about the trail, there's two common complaints for somebody that's over about 5'7".
Yeah.
That's your butt is always bouncing on this grab bar, so they end up cutting it off.
Oh.
Well, I hate that. That's no good at all. The other thing they complain about is they hate the heel part.
Right.
So they end up cutting that off. Down all the way is neutral and then gradually up for 4.
Right.
So,
Automatic clutch.
yeah. And for the clutch, you just back off when you want to shift.
Right. All right, let me grab my stuff and we'll get
Okay.
going. Vonsy decked these things right out, doesn't he?
I check the tire pressures.
Yeah, I always do, every
They're
time.
good, yeah. No,
A lot of people don't know you had your own TV channel back before YouTube was
I
even
know.
invented,
It's all
right?
race cars back in the day.
Yeah. Vintage garage. Heel toe. I'm doing a heel. This will definitely be a fun ride. I'm reaching for the clutch. These are 125 cc's. Huh, that is in miles per hour. 4-speed. Woohoo! Open road now, boys. This thing actually rides really nice.
Them Cheezos on the scooter, tearing up the lane, winding through the back roads, sunshine or in rain. Helmet on, wind in his face, he's living wild and free. MotoCheez is rolling, coming right along with me. MotoCheez, oh MotoCheez, fast as lightning on the breeze. Down the country roads he flies, chasing sunsets in the skies. Join the ride, don't let it stop, fun that climbs and never drops. MotoCheez, the one to watch, non-stop thrills, he's got the top. Gravel kicks beneath.
They are pretty fast. Surprisingly.
I rode the White Huron to Key West.
Oh my.
Homestead to Key West, I was just wide open, full throttle, 54 miles an hour.
That's crazy. We're here, boys. Huh. I wonder if they're open yet. 11 o'clock. Were you early?
5 after 11.
Oh, they're open then. Where you want to park? Does this have an alarm or no?
No,
Whew, that dumpster's stinking.
haven't been here in 10 years.
Good. Just us two by the water again.
Also, pretty bad enough.
Two by the water.
Oh, you want to try outside?
Yeah. Water out there?
And somebody will help you.
Oh, all right.
I used to live in Citrus Springs,
Oh.
and I launched, even when I moved where I am now, I used to take the boat up and launch here. But it's been, I don't know, 10 years since I ate here. It doesn't matter, the fan's not running.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. There's the no switch.
Hello
I
again.
don't think the fan works.
Yeah, that one specifically does not. No, sir. I can take that one and point it out to your lows.
Yeah.
Okay. Excuse me.
I'll just have it water.
Okay, sorry.
Over here. I gotta go get my phone.
All right. You want to go first?
Yeah, I'd like a Reuben with French fries.
All right, easy enough.
How are your Reubens? They pretty good?
I think
lot of meat and pulp and
I would say they're like,
or lactose still, though.
Sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
I love the Reubens. When I first started here, that was the first thing that I actually ordered, and I love them.
Is it like with everything? What's it like that thick, and then the bread or
I
so?
would say like,
Oh, with the bread? Oh, it's good then. I'll do that with tater tots.
okay, all right.
Okay, thank you.
I'll get a serve for you guys.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Here we are, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome on to try.
Such lovely weather.
Yes, Florida, that's for sure.
Thank you.
You know, if you in the video, I'll get 1,000 views without it that long.
Oh, you're so sweet. I love that.
Okay, thanks.
Do you guys need anything else? Do we want some ketchup, maybe?
I'm good. Thanks.
All right. Have a wonderful night.
Okay.
Good.
I think
Yeah.
the rain is over.
That helps me.
I know.
Yeah.
So what would you rate that meal? How was that sandwich, the Reuben? Like 1 to 10.
I don't know, 10. I'm not a foodie.
I don't know. I've had a lot better. It wasn't bad.
It was more than I could eat.
I'd say 7.5.
Okay, I'll go with that. 7.5.
You're too easy.
Yeah.
Well, look at that. Just in time for the seats to dry. That's
Yeah,
perfect.
We should have a towel too.
Well, it's dry already.
Okay, you need to put that in your pocket.
NFC.
And I need the key to this. Okay, so once that's in your pocket, you don't need to push any buttons or anything.
All right. That's high tech.
I don't know if you're standing close enough yet or not.
Nice.
There you go, you're close enough now.
They want your soda?
Yeah.
Good timing when we ate. We poured out and now it's stopped. This feels like it's geared higher than that one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is geared higher.
He rolls out at sunrise, the world's still asleep. Through country roads where the hills run deep. under city lights, he weaves through the shadows, chasing the night.
Yeah, this is definitely geared higher than that one. I think the other one rides smoother on the bumps too. Come Vonsy. Somebody got in trouble. Well, that was fun, even with a little bit of rain. I like the way that one rides better.
Well,
That one's smoother.
it shouldn't be.
It is though. It's weird
Okay.
for me.
Yeah, well, they call...
And that's geared lower. Like this, the
Yeah,
gearing's higher.
Yeah, well, this is a little bit faster. This will go 62 or so.
Oh.
This will go 54.
Probably because of the gearing.
Could be.
You need to expand your garage more.
I know. That's true. This is the transformer I use that charge these little e-bikes.
Yeah.
But the one I got for the EVO is 4 times as big.
Wow.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.